Hi folks, welcome to Kitchen Tips Online. On this video, I'm going to show you how to cook mac and cheese in your microwave in about 11 minutes, including the prep time. I'll be using this microwave pasta cooker to make our box of mac and cheese, but I wanted to let you know that it's designed to cook everything from spaghetti to mashed potatoes. If you decide to get one, I recommend picking up this spiral recipe book. It's sold separately, but it is specifically written for this pasta cooker. When using this cooker, it's important to get the water level right. For this box of mac and cheese, we need to fill it to the second mark on the side, which is about 3 cups of water. I will leave the lid off and pop it in the microwave, but halfway through, I'll take it out and give it a stir to prevent the elbow macaroni from sticking together. Once the timer goes off, take the pasta out and drain the water using the pasta maker lid, which doubles as a strainer. Then pour the pasta into a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of butter and a 1/4 cup of milk, and then mix it up. Now you can enjoy delicious mac and cheese in just about 11 minutes from start to finish, including the 10 minutes of microwave cooking time. If you're interested in getting one of these pasta makers, you can support my channel by using the affiliate link on your screen or in the video description. Thanks for watching.